Just over a year ago, this transporter looked completely different. So as you can see, we fully transformed the look of the front end. The back end was in a pretty bad state, but now it's had a complete makeover.
I scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone.
So guys, that's the Transporter T5.1 finally ready for its first MOT after a year and a half, I would say. So will all this hard work pay off? Will it actually pass, or do you think it will fail on something stupid? But we'll keep our fingers crossed and hope it passes. And if it passes, we'll get back to you straight after MOT and we'll get talking.
There's nothing I can do or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong.
So guys, unfortunately the van failed. All because of me. Because I forgot to set the new headlights when we put them into the van. So we've built the whole van up, put the new headlights in, and we actually never got the headlights aligned, which is kind of stupid. And because that was my first drive, taking it to the MOT centre, well, I had a wee quick drive before that just to make sure it was going right, no DPF lights or nothing was coming on. So we got her to MOT and it failed on the headlights, so I brought her back down the road and we got her booked in with the garage and got the headlights set, and then we went on, and lucky enough we got another MOT for today. So just to show you guys, like, you know, this is what failed on: headlights and a brake hose. Basically I busted that brake line when I put the flipping brakes in the front of her, and so I got a new one, but I put it on, but it was twisted a wee bit, so I actually had to screw it back off and twist it the other way to allow that wasn't hitting the shock. So again, my fault. So got her in there 4:20, and I'm glad to say she's finally through, guys. And that's all because of me. Like, that wasn't anything of the van's fault, you know. It was my fault. I didn't set the headlights. It was my fault. I put the brake hose on slightly too far around. That was hitting the drop links when she, you know, when the car was sitting level and it was getting twisted and shafting, or whatever way they would like to call it, but that's why they failed it. So guys, the van's through MOT, so we're going to probably get out, take a wee walk around. We're going to show you everything we've done to the van, and what plans is next, like what we've got planned for the future of the van and stuff, and we'll see you there. So as you can see, the van looks absolutely beautiful, right? We've got these 19-inch Touareg ollies on it, running, what size of tires are they actually? We're running 245 45 19s, looking really well. We've actually set a side steps on it. We'll have the T6 back bumper, we'll have the T6 taillights, we'll have my personalised plate on it yet. We've got MTAC coilovers in it, we've got everything's T6. So if you look at the whole front end, like, we've got the T6 wings and indicators, we've got the T6 bonnet, T6 headlights, T6 bumper, and plus the van style splitter. Now I drove out of my shed and broke this immediately, so I had to fix it, because obviously she's so low on the coilovers. But to be honest with you, I actually raised it up at the front a wee bit for MOT, and it actually drives really, really nice. And it drives better than I thought. So what is next? Unfortunately, I don't know why, but the key's not working on the unlock button, so it's not letting me unlock my boot. I can't do it with a key. It's just whatever lock button's working, it's not really working. So we're going to have to get that sorted. And obviously we've got the spoiler. And look what else I've done, guys. Something I never thought I'd do. Gloss black roof. So it does. Real nice. Help the van. But what's the plans in the future for this van? So basically, we have an exhaust system booked in for the 5th of August to get done, front to back, 2.5 inches, decatted. The whole works, it'll be tidy. So we'll get a video of that when that's done. Next up, we're getting her sign rated. So she's getting all sign rated in my bodywork business. She's getting a personalised plate. The personalised plate's lying inside her. I need to get the vehicle taxed. Also, look at him, he's just after MOT and he is stuffing his bake. But we've got the Android radio in. We've manual windows, so we're going to have to put electric windows in. Don't know how easy that is, but we're going to get it done. Change the steering wheel to flat bottom steering wheel. We're going to try and get large seats, and he's still stuffing his bake. And we're going to get blue ice white lights to the front, because the lights aren't great. Well, they're probably alright, but yeah, that was my first ever drive after 2 years in a van. I've serviced it, done all the works, done brakes, done everything, and we tell you, that van drives like a brand new van. And just look at it, like, it's absolutely beautiful. So we'll have a load of before and afters in the video. Now guys, hopefully this is not the end of me. Like, you know, hopefully I'll be back at this here and everything will start going smooth. So guys, if you really enjoyed part of this build, I know we missed a lot, will you please hit the like, comment and subscribe if you're new. Anyway boys, this is Rebuilds NI out.
I'm screaming. twisted.